What's up guys, Crate here. I wanted to make a quick video about an app that I use all the time. Huge shout out to my boy Haymark L from my Warzone A Squad. He pretty much put me onto this app and I can't stop using it. Alright, the app is called Unsplash and it's a wallpaper app. And if you're into wallpapers like I am, you're gonna love this one. I change my wallpapers pretty much every week on all my devices. So to keep up with that many wallpapers, it's gotta take a lot of work. I mean by the artist, not by me. Now before we go any further, I do just wanna say that this app is for iPhones, iPads, and Macs. There is currently no Android app. Now I know I probably just threw off a bunch of people, but wait, there is a solution. You can go to the Unsplash website and pretty much do everything from there. That's what I do on my Windows PC. The cool thing about the desktop version, aka the website, is that you can choose the file size and the resolution that you download from. And like most things, it's easier to search for things on a desktop PC. When you're using a device like the iPhone or the iPad, it's pretty simple to just kind of scroll through and look at all the images they have, and they have certain categories. So when I pull it up on the iPhone, it pretty much can go straight to the wallpaper section, and then I can choose categories. So things like nature, abstract, buildings, designs, whatever you like. And then it also has a search functionality. So if you're looking for something specific, it's pretty easy there. My favorite function about the apps is that if you just hold down and click when you're scrolling through all the photos, you can have certain actions, and one of those is to just download the picture straight away to your Photos app. And then if you go into the picture, there's a little arrow that you can click to download as well if you're just looking at the full-size version of the photo. So I think this app was actually kind of intended to help people look and get ideas about other photo styles. So kind of like Pinterest, but less lifestyle-y. So you can actually create an account and you can like photos and you can add them to boards and stuff like that. But I never created an account. I pretty much only use this app for wallpapers. But if you want to get cool photo ideas, this is actually a pretty cool way to do it. One of the main ways that this app is actually organized is by artist. So if you have a favorite artist that takes, amazing photos that you really like using, you actually follow those artists, or a lot of the times you can just search for it and see all their pictures that they've taken. And I have found that there are some pictures of devices and certain other objects. So if you're looking kind of for a stock photo, there's more than likely a chance that you can find it. Besides that, there's not really much else I can say about a wallpapers app. So you guys go ahead and check it out, download it, and tell me what you guys think. It's pretty much the best around that I found. It's got a really clean UI and it's got beautiful pictures. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Hit that like button.